Hello boys, Miss Gurvich over here. I hope you're having a great day. Today's lesson is going to be asynchronous, so please pay attention to this video and I want to make sure that you are working on your notebooks over here, okay? So have your notebook ready, have your pen and pencil, and you're going to get ready to write like we always do, and then you're going to take a picture and submit it to me. That's going to be how you prove that you did your job today. Today we're on level 31. Congratulations, guys. You are moving so fast on this. You are working really good. We're going to skip the reading sounds today, but everything else we are going to do. We're going to spell the first sounds, and here comes the first one. Next sound, oo. Next sound, O. I know there's different ways to spell O. O at the end of the word, like in snow. O, silent E roll. Yes. O, long vowel sound. Next one, ing. Next one, R, as in car. Next sound, at the end of the word, like farmer or painter or drawer. Now I want you to write down 4 different ways to spell A. A, long vowel sound, A in the middle of the word, A at the end of the word, A, silent E roll. And the last one, ow. Ow is usually spelled at the end of the word. I know I'm going fast, so what I want you to do is make sure that you're pausing the video as I'm talking. The next step is going to be read some words. I want you to read the words and pause the video so you can have time to read them. Looking, raining, sooner, growling, cooking, painter, corner, frowning. Go ahead and pause the video. Pause the video to allow you time to read. One more slide. These are compound words. Remember, we talked about compound words are words that you can split in the middle, and there are 2 words that when they stand alone, they mean something, but then when they are together with another word, they make another word. For example, drive, way. They both mean something, but when they're together, it's a driveway. It's something different. Bath, tub. You can make a sentence with the word tub or a sentence with the word bath, but you can also make a sentence when you have bathtub together. Same as the other one. Pause if you need more time to read these words. This is the last one for compound words. Broomstick, textbook, weekend, landslide, rainbow, mayday, hubcap, footprint. We're going to spell some words. First word for today is life. Life. How do I spell life? That sounds like a silent A word. Next word, telling. Telling. Next word is wood. Wood. Next word is drain. Drain. Next word is a sight word. Remember, this does not follow the patterns that we are learning here. Gone. Gone. Next one, clown. Clown. Ow. Follow by an N. Clown. Oh yeah, I remember that one. Next one is charter. 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 Next one is sticking. Sticking. Stick-ing. Sticking. Bone. Ooh. Bone. Vowel, consonant, E. That means it's a silent ear. Bone. Showing. 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 3 more words. Stingray. This is a compound word. Sting, ray. Stingray. Teller. A teller works in the bank. Teller. The last word for today is lump. Lump. We have a sight word for today, and that is the word half. Half. I have many years of age. Next one is our sound for today. We have 2 sounds for today. The first one is ch at the end of the word after a short vowel. So say with me, ch at the end of the word after a short vowel. Write it down on your notebook 5 times. Ch at the end of the word after a short vowel. Ch at the end of the word after a short vowel. Ch at the end of the word after a short vowel. Remember that this line means that goes at the end of the word, that there's something behind it, right? What are some words that we can think about that have the ch sound at the end of the word after a short vowel? Let's see. We have the word, oops, here we go. Catch, hitch, clutch, pitch, batch, Dutch, snatch, notch. Pause the video so you can read these words. The next sound that we are going to learn today is a sound that says j, j, also at the end of the word. J at the end of the word. Same as the other one, we're going to write down j at the end of the word. 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 I'm going to write it down 5 times. And we're going to read some words with j at the end of the word. Like the word badge, ridge, judge, lodge, edge, fudge, wedge, smudge. I'm going to give you some time to read these words. Dredge, sludge, pledge, nudge, ledge, dodge, budge, sledge, hedge, and bridge. We are now going to go to the next step, which is read aloud. Were you on time to catch the train? Does she live in that grand home with the porch? Pitch the ball to home base. Try to match the paint for that patch. Don't rub that itch. A stitch in time saves 9. The witch rode her broom into the sky. Hitch up and ride into the sunset. He can cross the bridge on his bike. Have you made a batch of fudge? Mitch sat on the edge of his chair. We will soon have time to play dodgeball. They will live at the lodge by the lake. Did you say the pledge to the flag? The judge will steer his car into the driveway. Give a large cheer for the clown act. This is the end of the level. I want to make sure that when you finish, if you need to see this video again, go ahead and do it. It's only 11 minutes. You can do it again. You can review your words. You can review your sounds, so you can take a picture and send it to me. I hope you have fun, and I will see you on Thursday. Bye.